So I am going to be welding today. And I absolutely have no experience welding. This is going to be my first time welding. And if you're wondering why I'm welding in this video series, well, I want to build a rebar straightener. All of our local hardwares sell rebar in 40 feet increments, and they usually bend them at 20 feet so that it's easier to transport. And so I have to create this jig to help me straighten the rebar out as I uncoil it and bend it. So yeah, this is my first time welding and it's going to be a nightmare. I warned you. So the house build is coming along nicely. I'm in the process of digging out the foundation still. I've already reached the level that I need. I'll post the next video soon, so stay subscribed, stay tuned. Click the notification bell so that you get notified once I drop that video. If you're a beginner like I am and you want to know how to set up your welding helmet, click on this video and I'll show you how I figured it out. It was quite the process, and I know welding helmets are different, so this is specific to this one and this, kind of setup. So I'm going to be linking that video on the top right or in the description box below or in the first comments. I decided to buy a flux core / MMA welder because I wanted the ease of welding thinner metals. Like I have a broken spade somewhere and I want to repair it. I have broken tools here and there that are made of thin metal, and so the flux core will make it easier. And also having the ability to stick weld is quite beneficial because I have some larger metals like you can see here, but I have to warn you, this is going to be a disaster. Let me just stay quiet to the end of the video because I'm so embarrassed. Okay, watch. So I decided to switch to flux core welding because stick welding was just taking too much of my time, because I'm still a beginner. I don't know how to maintain an arc. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and I was too frustrated and I just wanted to get this done quickly. Or so I thought. Figuring out how to feed the wire was another challenge. I didn't know once you released the wire it would basically jump like a spring, and so I learned that the hard way, but I definitely got a hang of it, and I know that next time it will be an easier approach. If you find the video entertaining so far, consider subscribing, liking it, and commenting down below. Also, share it with your friends and family, especially if you have welding buddies. I'm sure they'll find this entertaining and find a good laugh at my mistakes. So that's it for this video. I hope to see you in the next video, and watch this video next.